Hello, this is Lydia. She inspires all. I would like to welcome you again to my channel. If you are one of my followers, thank you so much for returning to this channel. And if you're new here, please do feel welcome. Enjoy and make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow us as we share our experiences. Now, today I am in our small garden here. Now, living in the UK has been quite interesting for me and has changed me in a few ways. One of the ways that my life has changed is loving nature and loving doing some garden work. And as people cry, food crisis and the food prices are going up, some of us are just getting ready to make sure that we beat the food prices. So today I would like to show you where I spend some of my time during the spring season and the summertime, and preparing the garden and just making sure that we have some food. So this is our this is our allotment. These allotments are given to us by the local municipal, so you've got to apply, and once you put in an application, you will give your address, and then they will tell you to either wait, or if there is a portion of land that is remaining, then you're able to get an allocation. So here we are quite a number, as you can see, as far as your eyes can see. Like, this is a plot of one person. I think they're apportioned that whole one up to here, and that's another portion, and that's compost. We buy compost from one of the factories here. This is another one, and you can see that people are very proactive. That's another one. That's another one. Far right there is for a very nice lady, an elderly lady from Nigeria. She's very, very lovely. And this is my neighbor here. As I said, people are now getting ready. So there are others that have bought multi-compost manure already. I have not bought. These are strawberries. Strawberries dry up during the winter season. So my neighbor had planted some strawberries. That's her little greenhouse right there. Some strawberries here. Sometimes this place floods, so you've got to prepare your land in a way that that you're able to to make sure that you have quite enough. And these are the little composts for our compost, for our manure. This is my neighbor right here, and this is my small farm. Please don't laugh because this is my little farm. Now, I had planted garlic during the winter season, and I see they are doing well. It's just that when we had them, what do you call them? Those strong weeds the other time. This little shelter fell, and it fell on my garlics here, and I will have to maybe put some manure. Sorry, I haven't been here for quite some time. Before then, I had planted some spinach, as you can see. This was for strawberries. I had onions here. I had corn right there. Some strawberries here. I had what do you call this little thing? It's not a turnip. I'll know the name. I'll put it there. And I see there are some few that maybe I can make some juice today. So I had planted some here. They did quite well. And this was my little garden for sukuma wiki. Those vegetables, oh, little things. I'll have to uproot them and maybe plant some more, and this ones as well. My spinach did quite well. There's so many people who benefited from this, and I've just started uprooting them. that's my compost right there, and that's my my compost bin right there. So I don't throw away compost manure. And this little piece of land here has been empty. It was empty for quite some time. It's been empty for quite some time. So it's a neighboring one here. And as you can see, people are ready, quite ready here. So I'll show you a little bit. Some flowers on the other side. People have bought compost there. This is my friend my friend and my colleague's piece of land. We are yet to get ready, so that is where we put our jambes, and I'll show you. So this is a communal watering point. So this is where we draw water for watering our plants. This farm is for an elderly guy who is very active. He's retired, but he's very active. Always has vegetables, and you can see his vegetables. Yeah, so as I said, we had spinach, and I think I'll harvest some little there. So we have a wheelbarrow, and hey, I was taught when you go to the shamba, you've got to have a jembe. So I bought this jembe. We call it jembe in my mother tongue. So this is what we use for our digging and planting. So yeah, that's what up to today. I really love this place, especially during summer. Now, why did I get a piece of land? One, during the pandemic, my gosh, it was lonely, and I didn't have a garden then, and it was very lonely to be in the house the whole day. And I thought, what else can I do to make sure that I am getting sunshine when others are indoors, but also grow my own food. Those people who know me, I love health and fitness a lot, because I mean, our health is our wealth, and I just enjoy eating the right diet and feeding my children and my family with the right diet. But I am an African mom. I believe in feeding my family with the right meal. So yeah, that's life abroad. We'll show you some of our farm produces, and it's a very lovely community here, to be honest. And people are very giving. A guy who is at the corner there, I mean, I got a lot of carrots from him, because my carrots did not do very well. So that's life abroad. It is quite exciting. Now I cannot wait for when my mom will come and help me out. The other thing I didn't say is I do not work alone in this plot. My children are very involved. They usually come in the evenings to either water or even help me, dig. And they helped me when the lad was very virgin. So it's a family thing, and we enjoy it. My friends as well, my colleagues as well, we do this together. And when we are planting and harvesting at the same time, we do it together. So yeah, that's it for today, I guess. And I just want to clear a little bit and see how I can order my compost. I'll be calling the place where we usually buy in a few minutes, so that I can order. Yes, that's me. Please look out for the next video. And then I think I'll plant potatoes and some corn and But I'll just clear this first and put it in the compost, as well as clear those, because I think it is good to plant the bunching ones. You see they were quite strong. Prepare this for squamas, onions. I will not plant what can I plant this time? I think I will not plant maize this time. Okay, please do share, like, comment, and continue to follow us. Bye bye.